Gentlemen, let's have an honest conversation about style after 40. This isn't about chasing youth or pretending we're still in our 20s. It's about looking as sharp, capable, and contemporary as we feel. The reality is, certain fashion choices can unintentionally add years to your appearance, making you look dated rather than distinguished. But here's the good news. With a few strategic upgrades, you can project confidence, sophistication, and vitality through your wardrobe choices. Let's break down the 12 most common aging fashion mistakes and exactly how to course-correct each one. 1. The baggy clothing trap. That oversized polo shirt and saggy jeans combo isn't doing you any favors. While the instinct to hide our changing bodies under layers of fabric is understandable, shapeless clothes actually emphasize what we're trying to conceal. The solution? Seek out tailored casual pieces. Think slim straight jeans, Levi's 511, or Bonobo's Italian stretch denim. Shirts with subtle darts, mise-en-place makes excellent options, and jackets with defined shoulders. The goal isn't skin tight, but rather clothing that follows your natural silhouette. A well-fitted blazer from J. Crew or Suit Supply can work wonders to structure your upper body. 2. Trying too hard to look young. Graphic tees with ironic slogans, overly distressed denim, and neon sneakers scream midlife crisis far louder than they whisper youthful. Mature style isn't about rejecting trends entirely, but rather curating them thoughtfully. Swap cartoonish graphics for solid color tees in premium fabrics. Sunspell makes the gold standard. Replace ripped jeans with dark, clean denim, and trade those chunky sneakers for minimalist leather pairs from Common Projects or Axel Arigato. The most youthful thing you can wear is confidence in your own skin. 3. Clinging to dated silhouettes. That boxy leather jacket from 1998, the square-toe dress shoes, the pleated khakis, they're not vintage, they're just old. Modernize your foundations with these key pieces. A slim-fit suede bomber, Shot NYC makes incredible ones. Almond toe Chelsea's, Thursday Boot Company's Duke is perfection, and flat front trousers in contemporary rises. For denim, opt for a dark rinse in a straight or slim cut. Mott & Bow and Page make excellent options that balance comfort and style. 4. The all-comfort, no-style rut yes. Comfort matters more as we age, but sweatpants and stretched-out hoodies communicate that you've retired from caring. Upgrade your loungewear with elevated basics. Italian merino wool polos, John Smedley, stretch chinos with hidden comfort waists, Ministry of Supply, and technical knit blazers, Ministry of Supply's Aviator. Lululemon's ABC pants prove you can have both comfort and polish. The key is seeking fabrics with natural stretch and breathability while maintaining structure. 5. The dark color vortex. An all-black or all-navy wardrobe might feel safe, but it can actually drain color from your face. As skin tones change with age, strategic color becomes crucial. Try these flattering options. Light blue Oxford shirts, proper cloth makes custom ones affordably, camel hair sport coats, Spear and Mackay, olive green chinos, Tailor Stitch, and burgundy merino sweaters, Nadam. Even just adding a white t-shirt under darker layers creates instant brightness around the face. 6. Loud logos and busy prints. Big branding screams insecurity, not success. The mature man lets quality speak for itself. Seek out logo-free pieces from brands like Buck Mason, Ascot, and Everlane. When you do want pattern, opt for subtle textures. Herringbone tweed, micro checks, or tonal jacquards, a navy hopsack blazer, or grey flannel trousers from Sid Mashburn offer quiet sophistication that always looks appropriate. 7. Outdated accessories. Accessories are the punctuation marks of your personal style, small in scale but monumental in impact. Yet too many men fall into the trap of clinging to outdated accent pieces that actively work against them. That chunky dive watch you bought in 2005, the wide reversible belt with its brassy buckle, the oversized sunglasses that swallow half your face. These aren't nostalgic throwbacks. They're visual anchors tethering you to another era. The ultra-stylish man understands that modern sophistication lives in restraint and precision. Start with your belt, the literal and figurative linchpin of your outfit. Swap that bulky, logo-emblazoned relic for a slim, full-grain leather strap from a brand like Equus, whose hand-stitched belts marry heirloom quality with contemporary proportions. The buckle should be understated, think matte brass or brushed nickel, and scaled to your frame. No dinner plate-sized hardware. When it comes to watches, the maxim "less is more" has never been more relevant. A minimalist dress watch from Nomos or Junghans, with their clean dials, slender cases, and Horween leather straps, conveys horological appreciation without the weightiness of a Rolex Submariner. For casual wear, the Swiss railway-inspired simplicity of a Mondaine or the industrial elegance of a Braun quartz watch keeps things sharp yet approachable. Sunglasses demand similar discernment. The Peugeot 714, Steve McQueen's signature frame, offers timeless tortoiseshell warmth, while Warby Parker's Haskell provides a modern take on the classic Wayfarer, both in sizes actually proportionate to adult male faces. Jewelry should whisper, not shout. The three-piece rule remains sacrosanct. A wedding band, if applicable, your watch, and one intentional accent. Perhaps a family signet ring worn on the pinky or a slim Cuban link bracelet in sterling silver. Anything beyond this ventures into territory best left to rock stars and tech billionaires. Remember, the goal isn't to erase personality, but to curate it. Each piece should feel like a considered extension of your aesthetic, a quiet testament to your understanding that true style lies not in accumulation, but in editing. Bonus tip: pay attention to patina. A well-worn leather belt or a watch face with gentle brassing tells a story of longevity and taste. But sun-faded plastic frames or a scratched metal bracelet, those just tell the world you've stopped paying attention. Invest in a microfiber cloth for your glasses, a quality watch roll for storage, and occasional leather conditioning. Your future self will thank you when these pieces still look impeccable years from now. 8. Shoe disasters. Few style missteps age a man faster than wearing the wrong shoes. Footwear serves as the foundation of your entire outfit, and when it's outdated, overly casual, or just plain worn out, it drags everything else down with it. The biggest offenders? Square-toe dress shoes that scream early 2000s corporate dress code, athletic running shoes paired with jeans, a combo that instantly reads dad mode, and overly distressed or scuffed kicks that look like they've been through a war zone. These choices don't just look dated. They suggest a lack of awareness about how details shape perception. The solution lies in curating a versatile, high-quality shoe rotation that balances polish and practicality. Start with white leather sneakers, not the chunky, logo-covered kind, but minimalist designs from brands like Koyo or Oliver Cabell, which elevate casual outfits while maintaining comfort. For smarter occasions, dark brown loafers, Meermin's unlined options are a dream. Add effortless sophistication with suits or chinos. Chelsea boots in black or tan, Story at fall, nails the sleek, modern silhouette, bridge the gap between dressy and casual, working equally well with tailored trousers and dark denim. And for true formal wear or business settings, nothing beats sleek Oxfords. Allen Edmonds's Park Avenue remains the gold standard for its timeless last shape and impeccable craftsmanship. Here's a pro tip most men overlook. Even the best shoes benefit from small upgrades. Take leather-soled dress shoes to a cobbler for thin rubber toppies. They extend the sole's life, add grip, and make breaking in new pairs far more comfortable. For loafers and Chelseas, invest in shoe trees to maintain their shape, and rotate pairs to let them breathe between wears. And remember, conditioning your leather isn't just maintenance. It's a way to keep your shoes looking rich and luxe for years. The right footwear doesn't just complete an outfit, it elevates your entire presence. When your shoes are sharp, people assume the rest of you is too. So ditch the relics of decades past and step into styles that reflect the confidence and intentionality of a man who knows exactly where he's going and exactly how good he'll look when he gets there. 9. Denim disasters. Light wash, baggy, or overly distressed jeans are the trifecta of aging denim mistakes. Modernize with dark indigo or black denim in straight cuts. 316 makes incredible selvage options. Mid-rise fits that sit properly on your hips and minimal distressing, if any. The perfect pair should skim your body without clinging. Look for 1 to 2% elastane for comfort. Railcar Fine Goods offers free hemming with purchase for the perfect break. 10. Eyewear time. Warp glasses date faster than almost anything else in your wardrobe. Modernize your look with acetate frames in tortoise or horn, Barton Pereira. Rimless styles for a lighter look, Lindbergh, or vintage-inspired metals, Jacques-Marie Mage. Avoid wireframes, oversized shapes, and anything with visible screws. Warby Parker's Home Try-On program makes finding new frames risk-free. 11. Grooming neglect. No outfit can overcome poor grooming. Implement these essentials: a consistent haircut schedule every 3 weeks, beard maintenance, trimmed weekly with proper necklines, and basic skincare, cleanser, moisturizer with SPF, and eye cream. A quality fragrance like Terre de Hermès or Creed Green Irish Tweed provides the finishing touch. The goal isn't perfection, but rather looking intentionally maintained. 12. Fear of investment pieces. Fast fashion might seem economical, but constantly replacing cheap clothes costs more in the long run. Build your foundation with these forever pieces: a navy hopsack blazer, suit supply, white dress shirt, proper cloth, grey flannel trousers, Spear and Mackay, and quality leather shoes, Carmina. The rule of 3 applies. When you find a perfect fitting item, buy 3 in different colors. Quality fabrics and construction actually become more comfortable with age, both yours and the garment's. The through line of mature style is intentionality. Every piece should serve a purpose and work cohesively with the others. Remember, style after 40 isn't about looking younger. It's about looking your best. And that's a distinction worth dressing for.